Hi guys, good morning. So today I want to tell you about this is my vlog for day 2. And of course that last night I'm come late today because I'm wake up late because last night I have I think like so tired because I have written until 11 o'clock, yeah, because I can't to sleep too long time. Yeah, I sometimes sleep that's more late, maybe 10 o'clock, because except when I have many assignment, like last night that I sleep that when 11 o'clock. So why just now I'm so sleepy, and when after pray subuh sleep a little. Now I just wake up and then I go take some water for I'm drink, and I eat some snack, and yeah, I make a vlog. Forget to make. So last night I have written this one. Maybe I have explained yesterday. This I have written only one paper. Yeah, is for you can say that 2 page, and my eyes still sick, guys. And then back to the topic. I want to talk you about of course this my was experience that when still holiday yesterday, that that when I'm holiday, that I'm still live in my grandmother's house, because every holiday that I spend the night there. But sometimes I'm go home to my house for take like my clothes, or I take my equipment, yeah, like that. Because why I often to spend the night there, because my grandmother now have other job that uh, she company Chacha, because Chacha's mom with Chacha's father that still works. So my grandmother decide to company Chacha. So when I'm holiday, she asked me to come to her house, I mean my grandmother, for help her to company Chacha. But we just company Chacha until 12 o'clock, or more late that until 2 o'clock, when her mother go home from the hospital. But sometimes Chacha's mother go home that 11 or 12 o'clock, that usually. But sometimes also her mom will late because there is something, maybe I don't know that. And yeah, like yesterday that my grandmother that uh, because I'm holiday, so I spend the night there until 1 week after the Idul Fitri. She have rice field that will what we said that impanen, guys. Yeah, my grandmother. So all my family there spend night, not only me, guys. Maybe except Chacha's mother, because they will go work there. But 3 days after Idul Fitri, that all my family spend the night there, but my mom with my auntie, I mean my mother's sister, that spend the night until 1 week, until that we want to coming to school that on Monday, but we go home all that when Sunday. Yeah, but I'm go home yesterday on Saturday because my sister will back to her boarding, so I'm go home leaving. I will go uh, company her to come back. So yeah, I'm leaving go home, but after I company my sister come back to her boarding, so come back again to my grandmother's house because my mom asked me to come there. But you know, my father it's not spend the night until 1 week. He go home when he just spend the night only 3 days, and he directly go home because in my house it's nothing people. So yes, he go home first, and when he have 2 days in my house, that he come back again to my grandmother's house because that because that um uh, because my father asked by my grandmother for help them for keep rice in rice pill. And yeah, I also join go to the rice pill, guys, for give them eating. Yeah, because there are so many people. There were 19 people. Yeah, the people people work, they come from other village. I don't know where. I only know one people, not only one people, one group that came from that that came from Janapria, that yeah, that all that 19 people, maybe all that came from Janapriya, guys. And yeah, I go with my grandmother, or sometime not my grandmother, she only join only one time. They work only 2 day, guys, because they come with many people, so they not take a long time. They only took they only took 2 days, and all that rice field finish, they work there. And I just join go to the rice field for help my mother to bring like a plate, because the side dish with the rice that bring by my mother with my auntie, not Caca's mother, my mother's sister, guys. And and my older that the older my mom's older sister. And then I just bring plate with glass and spoon, only that. And yeah, like a coffee, sugar that I'm bring. And sometime I stay there for doing it, because you know I like it in the rice pill, guys, because I think like when I eat in the rice pill, that feel like more delicious and more nice, I feel. That's what I feel, guys. And also I like also why I like stay there in that rice field, because in my grandfather or my grandmother's rice field, that there is some shelter that not too big. It's like usual that I can sit there, or sometime sleep there. Yeah, like yesterday that I'm asleep there with my brother Paka and Paki, because my mom asked me to bring her some snack again, because she also there look at people work. So yeah, we waiting that people finish it. So when I'm finish it, I'm so sleepy there. So yeah, I decide to sleep there, because I'm not bring my phone. But the when I like there, beside the shelter there is some like not river, what we say that in like danau, guys. That yeah, beside the shelter there is like water that big for we was play, because the water is so clean, not dirty, I mean. And sometimes people from other rice field come to visit my father's rice field, because they want to take water for the wash hand, wash their food, or wash their plate, yeah, something like that. And yeah, the weather it's so fresh there. But when have 12 o'clock that it's so hot. And yeah, I just come when a morning, until that's too late, until that maybe most late is when 11 o'clock I'm go home. And people work there until 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, yeah, the night, guys. And they pray, they eat, they not sleep, not take rest, only take rest when they lunch, yeah. We give them their, now we go give them rice when the morning of breakfast, on 8 o'clock. So why that we spend the night all, because we need to, my grandmother need my mom to help them, help my grandmother to cook, because we cook so many things, yeah. And so much, I think the side is, we cook that 3 times, for breakfast, lunch, and for dinner. Yeah, sometimes also they bring rice go home if they not eat, yeah, like that. So we go, not me exactly. If afternoon I'm not join when afternoon, because I'm lazy. And when afternoon also, my grandmother just asked me to sweep the yard and make tidy her house. So why I just stayed there. And of course that with company Chacha, with my other cousin there, we play together, me, Chacha, with my other sibling like Pani with Delhi. It's same age. It's same age that they still in third class, junior high school. And my other cousin again, they one still in college also, same by I'm by 3 still in college. And other that it's still small, guys. Yeah, the most small, of course, the Chacha, Salsa. So why that? Because you know why I'm often with her, I mean Chacha, because when I'm with her that from the just newborn. I accompany her there. I never go home because my auntie that when she just finished um born her child that my auntie stay in my grandmother's house, so I also spend the night there for accompany her, although I can't do hell, but I like to stay there. So I'm like now maybe tomorrow or next afternoon or next afternoon I want to go to my grandmother's house, but before that I want to wash my clothes first. I want to writing first, and I will spend the night only one day maybe because last night my grandmother have called me. She think I'm haven't go home from east, so yeah, maybe I will go next. And yeah, I will go after all my homework finish, guys. So yeah, guys, enough for today. Bye bye. Thank you for listening my first vlog for day 2. Good. Okay, bye bye.